So Thibaut Touch had some positive things to say about Shebeshit after their interview. He posted on his Instagram, let me read the post. I had the honor of hosting one of the most misunderstood gifted powerhouse. Don't look any further. Shebe is a true testament that we serve a God of first, second, third, basically of all chances. Your sin, your past can outshine God's redemption. Only God will love you with the evidence while people hate you on speculations. I love you, bro. Oh, that was a beautiful message to Shebe, man. Angifuna ukuqamba amanga ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi abantu sebayaqala ukum-understand uShebe Shit, especially ama-celebrity, cause I remember when Shebe Shit started popping or when he was still new in the industry, abantu bebangamboni kahle, bebacanga ukuthi hey umuntu oyisigebengu, bebambiza ngamagama nje, nama-celebrity bewangamthathi serious, maybe bebacanga ukuthi i-joke angazi. Kodwa nje manje sengiyabona ukuthi they're starting to see ukuthi he's actually a good person, a nice person. Yabo hayi lezi zinto bebamcabangela zona. So ngiyajabula nje ukuthi finally Shebe Shit uyayithola le respect ayideserve. Oh, what the fuck? Ayideservayo. Ayideservayo. What the hell? Yeah, uyayithola le respect ayideservayo and kuyangijabulisa lokho mfethu. Kuyangijabulisa kakhulu. Cause cabanga Shebe Shit makasacala nje bekangawatholi nama-radio interviews kodwa manje ne-interview ku-Metro FM. Yazi ukuthi Metro FM is one of the biggest radio stations we have in SA. So ukuthi aze athole interview khona lapha kuyakhombisa nje ukuthi man, he's finally getting the respect that he deserves and they are finally noticing the brew. They finally giving the bro the respect that he deserves. You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel. So please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye-bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye-bye, ngiyakuthanda.